1 tablespoon can replace 22 pounds of orchid fertilizer. From now on, you no longer need to buy expensive fertilizers. This simple mixture works just as well as specialized products, delivering exceptional results. Start with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which supports better orchid development. Next, add 3 small teaspoons of potato starch, which provides essential nutrients, potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. These elements are crucial for healthy growth and beautiful blooming. Now, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric acts as a natural fungicide, protecting the plant from diseases and helping it absorb nutrients more efficiently. Next, prepare a blender. Add all the ingredients, pour in 2 cups of water, and blend thoroughly to combine them. Once blended, dilute the concentrate with an additional 4 cups of water. To use this fertilizer, measure 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in about 1.3 gallons of water. Use this solution to water your orchids and spray it on their substrate. This natural fertilizer provides excellent support for orchid growth, helping them stay healthy and bloom beautifully. Do this with your orchid, and it will bloom all year round. Start by taking a large bowl and filling it with water. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Place 3 mandarins in the bowl and let them soak for 30 minutes. The baking soda will remove any pesticide residues and impurities from the fruit. Meanwhile, prepare eggshells by crushing them into smaller pieces with a mortar. Eggshells are an excellent source of calcium, which strengthens plant roots and supports healthy leaf development. Next, take a large jar and add the crushed eggshells. Pour 300 milliliters of hot water over them and let it sit for 30 minutes to release the minerals. Return to the mandarins, remove them from the water, and peel them. Mandarin peels are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C. Cut the peels into smaller pieces. Once the water with the eggshells has cooled, fill the jar almost to the top with water. Add the prepared mandarin peels and stir well. Seal the jar and place it in a cool spot for 24 hours to allow the ingredients to combine thoroughly. After this time, strain the mixture through a sieve and pour it into a spray bottle. Your homemade fertilizer is ready to use. Spray your orchid's leaves both on top and underneath. You can also use the fertilizer to water the roots. Use it regularly, and your orchids will bloom more abundantly and for a longer time. Do it for your flowers. The result will be amazing. Start by taking a few red onions and peeling off their skins. Onions are not just a tasty ingredient, but also an excellent product you can use in gardening. Onion skins contain valuable nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and flavonoids, which support plant growth and blooming. Onions also help combat plant diseases and improve flower resilience. Place the skins in a pot and cover them with water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Simmer everything on low heat for about 30 minutes. During cooking, the beneficial nutrients from the onion skins will gradually release into the water. Then strain the mixture to remove any remaining skins. Pour the resulting liquid into a spray bottle for easy application on plants. Now simply spray your plants with this natural fertilizer. You can use it for orchids and other potted flowers. Red onion fertilizer not only provides essential minerals to your plants, but also enhances the health of their leaves and flowers. Try this method and see how quickly your plants reward you with beautiful appearance and healthy growth. The combination of these ingredients will deliver amazing results. You have to try it. Start by taking a few potatoes and peeling them. Potatoes are not only one of the most popular vegetables on our tables, but also packed with nutrients. While we usually use the flesh, the peels often end up in the trash. That's a big mistake. Potato peels are rich in valuable nutrients like starch, potassium, phosphorus, and various trace elements. Instead of throwing them away, you can use them at home. Take a tall jar and fill it with the potato peels, leaving some space at the top. Then cover the peels completely with water. Once the jar is full, seal it and place it in the refrigerator for 2 days. After 2 days, strain the water through a sieve. Your fertilizer is ready, You can use this nutrient-rich water to water houseplants, garden flowers, and even vegetables. It's incredibly nourishing for plants. Thanks to this mineral boost, your plants will bloom abundantly, and their flowers will grow strong. This simple and eco-friendly method turns potato peels into a true elixir for your plants. Drop eggshells into a blender, and your plants will thank you. Add 3 or 4 eggshells to the blender. Crushed eggshells decompose slowly in the soil, enriching it with easily absorbable calcium, which supports the development of strong roots and healthy stems. Also, add 2 small spoons of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are a natural and affordable way to fertilize plants. They promote healthy growth by gradually releasing nutrients that plants can utilize over time. Next, add 2 small spoons of brown sugar to encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria in the soil. The final ingredient is carrot peels, which provide organic matter that improves soil fertility by supplying minerals and vitamins that promote healthy plant growth. Blend all the ingredients thoroughly until you have a crumbly mixture. This fertilizer is ready. Spread the homemade fertilizer carefully around the roots, ensuring an even distribution of ingredients. Then, lightly mix it into the top layer of soil. Store any remaining fertilizer in an airtight container. This mix can be kept for several months. With this blend, your plants will benefit from a natural and balanced set of nutrients that enrich the soil and encourage healthier growth. Just a handful is enough, and your geraniums will bloom like crazy. They'll be covered in flowers and fill your entire balcony. Here's how to make a homemade fertilizer that works wonders. Put a tablespoon of rice into a coffee grinder or blender and grind it into rice flour. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to a jar. Then, add a tablespoon of sugar. Pour half a liter of hot water over everything. Close the jar tightly and set it in a warm place for 3 days. After this time, strain the mixture through a sieve or gauze to remove the rice remnants. Now, dilute the fertilizer with water in a 1:5 ratio. 1 part fertilizer to 5 parts water. Pour the prepared liquid evenly into the geranium pots. Water with this solution once every 2 weeks. Rice is rich in silicon, iron, and phosphorus, which are essential for plants to bloom. Use this natural fertilizer regularly, and you'll see your plants grow and bloom. Your geraniums will be healthy, lush, and full of colorful flowers. Try it yourself and enjoy the beauty of your plants all season long. 1 tablespoon can replace a ton of manure. From now on, you won't need to buy expensive plant products. This mixture can replace many different fertilizers, delivering incredible results in your garden. Here's how to make it. Prepare a blender. First, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar promotes the growth of soil microorganisms and increases the amount of organic matter, which helps plants grow and develop better. Add 3 small teaspoons of potato starch. Potato starch contains 3 essential elements for plant growth: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. These elements ensure that plants grow properly. Next, add a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is an effective fungicide and helps plants absorb nutrients. It also has antibacterial properties that protect plants from diseases. Pour half a liter of water into the blender and blend everything thoroughly to combine all the ingredients. Then, dilute the mixture with an additional liter of water. To use the mixture, measure out 1 cup and dilute it in 10 liters of water. Use this solution to water and spray the soil and plants. This is an excellent fertilizer for vegetables, flowers, and other garden plants.